The Filipino word kumusta is a greeting similar to hello or how are you in English. So it's derived from the Spanish word como está, which means how is it, how is she, how is he, or how are you, which is formal. So kumusta is like the most formal way, kamusta is the commonly used one, and musta is usually used for close friends. So kumusta, kamusta, and musta. While it primarily functions as a greeting, it carries a nuance of inquiring about someone's well-being. So here are the different meanings of kumusta in bullet form. So kumusta can mean hello, which is a general greeting. Aside from that, it can also mean how are you when you are like asking about someone else's well-being, how are you? And then it can also mean what's up, which is kind of like an informal greeting. So what's up? Here are some example sentences. Kumusta ka? That means how are you? Ka is you. So kumusta ka? Kumusta po kayo? So that means how are you? It can be used for a single person or more than one person because kayo is like all of you. So kumusta po kayo? How are you? Kumusta na ang pamilya mo? So how is your family? So pamilya is family. So how's your family? Kumusta na ang pamilya mo? Na is like already. So how's your family already? So kumusta na ang pamilya mo? Kumusta ang trabaho mo? So trabaho is work. So how's your work mo is you. So kumusta ang trabaho mo? Kumusta ang araw mo? So araw is day. So how's your day? Kumusta ang araw mo? Kumusta ka dyan? Kumusta ka dyan? How are you there? There is dyan. So over there. So how are you over there? Kumusta ka dyan? Kumusta na sila? That means how are they now? Sila is a plural marker. It means they. So kumusta na sila? How are they? Kumusta ang mga anak mo? So how are your children? So anak is a child. Mga is like the plural marker. So mga anak is, it refers to children. Anak is a child and mga anak, children. Kumusta ang mga anak mo? Kumusta ka ngayon? How are you now? Ngayon is now. So kumusta ka ngayon? Kumusta ang biyahe mo? Biyahe is the trip. So how was your trip? Kumusta ang biyahe mo? Next is, kumusta kaibigan? A kaibigan is a friend. So, hello my friend or how are you my friend? Kumusta kaibigan? It's kaibigan, friend. But I think in spoken Filipino, we say kaibigan. Kumusta kaibigan? Kumusta po kayong lahat? That means, how are you all? Like plural. Lahat is like everything, all, everyone. So, kumusta po kayong lahat? Kumusta ang proyekto mo? So, how's your project? How is it going with your project? So, a proyekto is a project. Kumusta ang proyekto mo? Kumusta ang laro ninyo? So, a laro is a game. So, how is your game? Ninyo is like plural, all of you. So, kumusta ang laro ninyo? Kumusta ang panahon dyan? So, a panahon is like the weather. And then, dyan is over there. So, how's the weather there? Kumusta ang panahon dyan? Kumusta ka na? That means, how have you been? Just checking on you. How are you doing lately? Kumusta ka na? Na is already. So, how are you already? Kumusta na ulit? That means, how are you again? Or I'm checking in again. So, ulit is again. So, kumusta na ulit? Kumusta naman ito? That means, how about this? What do you think of this? How is this? Kumusta naman ito? How is this? Kumusta naman iyan? Iyan is like that. How about that? Kamusta naman iyon? Kumusta naman iyon is like, how about that one over there? Which is a little far. Kumusta naman ito? Kumusta naman iyan? Kumusta naman iyon? Kumusta ka kaya? So, I wonder how you are. Kumusta ka kaya? Ka is you. And then, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? So, how are you all over there? Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Lahat is everyone like all. So, kumusta kayong lahat dyan?